So first of all, I'd like to introduce the website that I use to create my own website, which is wix.com. It was very easy to use and gives every detail of how to go about it. So this is my website, and it's real estate development firm. The name is Cloud Luxury Real Estate, and as you can see, we develop properties, especially buildings and other properties that go to the construction. So the first picture you see is one of my favorite buildings I've seen online. So it was just obvious that I'll use something like this to create my own website. If you check the details here, you see on the top left corner is my personal email. That is important to put there if people want to get in touch, and also it's also email for the company. So, and then my telephone number. On the top right corner you see our social media platforms or handles: Facebook, Instagram, and Google. So if you scroll down, this is the first page. The second page is a beautiful building or interior that shows what we also offer, that is interior design as well. And then if you keep scrolling down, you have the next page that tells the about of the business. And then the next page is the some of the services that we offer, that is basically development of properties. And then if you keep scrolling down, you see some of our projects, those current and those underway. Then if you keep scrolling down, you get to know our team. That is me as the founder, and I have my friend's photos here as land and plan director and executive assistant. Then the next page is a contact info, and also if people want to get in touch, that is the form they use as well. And then the next thing is the address that is in the map. So this is my page in conclusion. Thank you.